What's up, MoneyLion? I'm Brandon Copeland, aka Professor Cope. I've played in the NFL for nearly a decade, and I'm also a money expert. I'm here to answer your questions, because when it comes to your money, there are no stupid questions. Here's a frequently searched question about investing. What's the difference between a stock and a bond? Stocks and bonds are two different ways you can invest your money in companies. A stock is when you own a piece of a company. A bond is when you loan a company money in exchange for an IOU. Let's break it down using the oldest analogy in the book. A lemonade stand. So let's say you buy $100 worth of stock in a lemonade stand. Now you're part owner of the stand. If the lemonade stand does well, your stock becomes more valuable. But if nobody wants to buy lemonade, then the lemonade stand loses value, which in turn means your stock loses value and you're losing money on your investment. A bond is an investment you make that has a predetermined date for when and how much you'll get paid. Using that same example, if you were to buy a bond from the lemonade stand, you might have an agreement with them that you'll pay them $100 now, and in return, they'll give you 10% interest on your money next week. Both forms of investing get you a $10 return in this example. However, if you buy the stock, your potential return is greater. Let's say the lemonade stand really pops off. You got a line down the block, and your investment could be worth a lot more if you own stock in this company. But if you bought a bond in this scenario, you might be feeling pretty salty. Now, let's say the lemonade stand flops, which means the value of the whole stand itself was lower. You'd be feeling pretty good about having that bond, because if you had a stock, your investment would have lost money. Remember, there are a bunch of ways to invest your money, and I'm not here to tell you which one to choose. I'm just here to break down the X's and O's so you can make the best decision for you. Thanks for watching, and keep watching MoneyLion for more money content.